The Dark N Stormy. It's moody, spicy and contrasting. It's just like that middle-aged British person who constantly moans about the clocks going back and a bit of wind and rain. Firstly, give that subscribe button a good smack. I'm going to make two versions of this drink. Firstly, there's the original recipe, which is the Goslings Black Seal rum and the ginger beer, and then there's a spicy variation with some lime and some chili and some bitters. I'm going to make these side by side. The original recipe is going to be in the Collins glass on the left, and the spicy variation is going to be in the double rocks glass on my right. For the original, top the Collins glass up with some ice. And for the variation, add one big ice cube. Then add some ginger beer, about 2/3 full in the glass. I'm eyeballing this measurement here. Then carefully float 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of the Black Seal rum. I decided to go with a little bit more here, simply because I can. Now, time for an experiment. A mate of mine and his wife went travelling around New England, and when they were in Maine they tried a Dark N Stormy, which seemed to have a chili hint, and it sounded like a great drink to me. Then the cocktail shaker, without any ice, I'm going to squeeze about ½ an ounce of lime juice, and then slice and add 1/4 of a chili with all its seeds and the pith intact. Now give this a really good muddle. Then fine strain the contents of the tin into the glass. Now, I wish I added this to the lime juice when it was in the tin, but add some bitters and just don't be a fucking maniac like me. I'm going to top this off with around 3 ounces, that's 90 ml of ginger beer. Then I'm going to add 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of the Goslings Black Seal rum. This won't float like the original. Then for the garnish, on the spicy variation, I'm going to finely slice 3 bits of chili, and then with tweezers I'm going to balance these on top of the ice cube. Then cut a lime wheel and place this on the side of the glass. And taking it back to the original, garnish this with a lime wedge. Taste wise, these are both good drinks, although I really want more of a fiery ginger beer, so I might retry this in the future, but I'm going to add a slice of ginger and definitely dial back on the bitters, but otherwise, good drink. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.